Hi, we're back for page number 4 of the Unit 6 pretest, going over the questions, answers, and how to solve them. So number 10 says the area of a path is 8,024 square feet. So I'm going to draw a path like a sidewalk. And the area of the inside is 8,024. It says one of the dimensions is 8. What is the length of the other dimensions? I want to know that one. Like, what do I multiply these two, and then how do I get 8,024? Because this times this equals the inside. So I need to do either a ratio table or an open array or Big 7 or something to help me figure this out. This is a division problem, so it's 8,024 divided by 8. Once again, I like the open array, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to start with an 8, and I'm trying to get all the way to 8,024. So I know if I do 8 times 1,000, I'm going to get 8,000. That's a big jump, and it gets me almost all the way. And then I know 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. And now between those two, I have 8,024. So then my answer is 1,003. And I do have to put feet on there because it does say label your answer with the correct units. So that I could times 8 times 1,003, and I would get 8,024. On the next problem, this is a perimeter problem. It says the perimeter of a rectangle, and I'm going to draw it, is 846 centimeters. So all the way around is 846 centimeters. One dimension is 134 centimeters. Now, if it's a rectangle, it says, then I know that this side's 134. This side's also 134. So I know two sides. They tell me what one of them was, but it's a rectangle, so I actually know what two of them are. And I know the total around is 846. So for these problems, you have to add 134 and 134 to figure out what those two are together, and that's 268. So that's 134 plus 134 is 268 for those two sides. And then I take that total perimeter, 846, and I subtract the 268. I want to make sure I line up my ones and my tens and my hundreds and write really neatly so that I don't accidentally subtract the wrong things. And I do have to borrow. I cannot do 6 take away 8. So I have to borrow from over here. And then that turns into a 16. That turns into a 3. So I could do 16 take away 8 is 8. But now I have 3 take away 6, which I cannot do. So I have to borrow again, turn that into a 7, turn this into a 13. 13 take away 6 is 7. 7 take away 2 is 5. So and I have 578 left. And that 578 is this side plus this side together. I need to figure out just what one of them is, though. So I have to divide it by 2 because of these two sides. I have to take it down to one side. So 578 divided by 2. So I'm just going to think to myself, well, half of 500 is 250. And then half of 70 is 35. And then half of 8 is 4. And then I'm going to take the 250, the 35, and the 4. And that's 289. So that is what this is here, 289 centimeters. So if I were to add 134 plus 289 plus 134 plus 289, I would get 846. That's how you do that problem. Now I'm going to end the video and we'll do one more video for the last page.